Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. You want more information about what medicine to buy for mastitis in dogs? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about what medicine to buy for mastitis in dogs is www.alivet.com. See the page titled Alivet Pet Pharmacy Pet Medications Pet Supplies. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.dogsnaturallymagazine.com, especially the page Heartworm Medication Part 2, Options to Fear-Based. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. The web page Chamomile, a herbal medicine of the past with bright future. Here's the link.